Okay, welcome to another weekend market reviews. Well, in this analysis or reviews, I'm not going to waste your time, so I'll just go straight to the point. Let's look at those pairs that we took as of last week, those signals. Well, this is the VIP signal channel. We took 3 trades as of last week. All right, only 3 trades. Our first trade was on the Canadian dollar against the Swiss franc, right, in the daily time frame. We found price reacting off that key area of support, all right there, and the signal was sent out, hoping for price to push to the upside. And of course, we actually nailed some profits off that that signal. As you can see, we got we took 80% of our profits for 24 pips. All right, much of hesitation, so we took for 24 pips, then quickly moved our stop loss to break even. All right, then the second portion we took the remaining 20% at 60 pips. All right, 60 pips, and we closed the 100% of that trade. Well, we also share with our VIP members, all right, sorry, our members in the public channel. All right, that channel is free, it's open to everyone. We share this signal on the sterling pounds against the Australian dollar. All right, we took that trade in the 1 hour time frame. Our entry was somewhere here, our stop loss right there. Well, this trade and the other trade that we shared with our VIP members are really struggling. All right, even though we are confident about direction, but those trades are still struggling. The sterling pounds against the Australian dollar, that pair is still hesitating around in here. All right, we are still expecting that price will come down. Okay, so we are holding that trade. And for those of you who were with us, I told you if the stop loss is not hit, now we could hold the trade longer until this upcoming trading week. Okay, well, that trade is still active. I am going to show you in the chart. Well, I want to thank all of you that participated in the poll that was shared both in the public channel and in the VIP channel. Thank you so much. Well, we use that to of course know those who are following us, and also to know our stand, whether to just focus on our independent trading or to keep rendering these services to those who are interested. Thank you so much for your feedback. We do appreciate that. All right, so if you look into the chart in the Canadian dollar against the Swiss franc, you will see this was the pair that we took right off that level of support. You see the bounce right there, and in fact we were able, let me zoom in for you, we were able to close 100% of our profit around that area. That was about 60 pips. All right, so it was nice profit. Here is just for demonstration purpose. All right, so I am just showing you where we took the trade and how we trade that to stop to break even. Okay, before that pullback we had already closed our trade, so it was a profitable trade for the week. Okay, now let me also look into that active trade, which is in the sterling pounds against the Australian dollar. Well, we took the trade here, as you can see. Our stop loss right there. Price is still just hesitating around that area. Well, it may not be that easy for price to go down. We may have some wiggle, maybe even close to the stop loss. Then from there on we may be coming down. This is our last line of defense, this trend line, and if price respects this trend line, then we could come down heavily, all right, on the sterling pounds against Australian dollar. We are still very confident on our direction, and so we are holding that trade. All right, before we proceed into further analysis, let's look into the Forex Factory economical calendar. This week is a heavily loaded week of high impact news. You can see so many high impact news. We've never had this since the beginning of this year. It's going to be an extremely busy week with so many economic events happening that will affect the market, and so you want to be careful, especially if you're an intraday trader. Well, for us, we want to have this economic event move price, bring in some life, and so we can find value trading opportunities. So remember, it is also going to be a very active week, so we will be there to watch out for value trading opportunities. Okay, let's proceed into the charts and continue with our reviews. Now we're moving to